Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to add a site logo widget to your WordPress website. A simple step that can make your site instantly more professional and help boost your brand recognition. Whether you're new to WordPress or just looking to polish your site, this guide has you covered. And by the end, your website will have a sleek logo displayed in no time. Access WordPress. First, open your web browser and go to wordpress.com. If you're not logged in yet, click the login button. You can use your WordPress account credentials, or if you've linked it, the continue with Google option. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Navigate to the editor. Next, look to the right-hand side of your dashboard under quick links and click edit site. This will open the WordPress site editor where you can manage all your site's visual elements in one place. Add a block. Now, at the top left of the editor, you'll see the add button. Click it and a search bar will appear. This is where WordPress makes adding features super easy. Select the site logo widget. In the search bar, type site logo. You'll see the widget appear as an option. Click on it and it will be added to your site. From here, it's just a matter of uploading your logo file. Make sure your logo is high quality and sized appropriately so it looks sharp and professional. Adjust and save. After uploading, you can adjust the placement of your logo within your site's layout. Once everything looks perfect, don't forget to save your changes. And that's it. Your WordPress site now proudly displays your brand logo. All right, that's all there is to it. Now your website has a polished logo that helps you stand out and build recognition. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.